Hi everyone, it's Doug from Beyond Territory. In this episode I'm going to show you how I painted my Death Rattle Grave Guard for my new army of Soulblight Gravelords. Hope you like this one. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy it. Take care. So starting off with a Grave Guard, I've assembled them. I've not attached their shields because it's far easier to paint them without the shields on to begin with. But I'm going to go over all the bones with Rakhar Flesh, taking my time. For the Grave Guard, I'm just coming in with Agrex Earthshade on top of the bone. The next step is coming in with Mephiston Red. I'm going to use it for the bottom layer of his cloak, skeleton's cloak. I decided I want to do his helmet, the lower part of the helmet red as well. Next colour is Black Templar. That's the next layer of cloaks he's wearing. Skeleton's got one. Slowly work the way around. I'm also going to paint the shield black on the front side. Next colour is Lead Belcher. I'm going to do it on the plate armour and on the chainmail. Some have types of plate armour as well, so just a mixture. As well as the sword. Just before I forget, his boots as well. Okay, for the belt and the bag, I'm going to come in with Contrast Cygor Brown. Next colour is Balthasar Gold, and I'm going to use it for hilt of the sword. And if there's any decorations you choose to add in a different colour on the armour. So I decided to go over those with the bronze, Balthasar Gold. And you can choose for the helmets or not. I'm going to leave these ones. And on the side of the shoulder pad, just going to add in Balthasar Gold as well. Same on the back for decoration for the armour. Yeah, and there's the base colours gone. First layer. Time for some shading. I know it seems a lot, but I'm going to do 3 different coloured shades. So the first one I'm going to do Known Oil for all the silver metal. Just making sure it doesn't pull in places I don't want it to collect. Next shade is Reichling Flesh, and I'm going to use that for the bronze parts. Try not to mix it like I just did. And then the last shade is Agrax Earthshade, and that's for the red cloak. Okay, and leave that to dry. Okay, so next bit, I'm just coming back in with Mephiston Red, and I'm just going to brighten up flat parts, some of the cloaks. So not to get in the crevices, leave those dark, just to make it a little bit brighter. Totally up to you, I just fancy the red being a bit more obvious. Also do it on the helmet as well, in the centre. Okay, with Evil Sun Scarlet, I'm just going to pick up some of the edges. Okay. And the final bit is just a little bit of Wild Rider Red on the very tips and edges of the cloak. Just on the black material, I'm just going to add a little bit of Storm Vermin as an edge highlight. Just over the raised areas on the edges. Here's a little pouch, a dry brush with a bit of Storm Vermin. Nice quick little bit. So coming back in with, I'm coming in with Screaming Skull, and I'm just going to make some of the skull, the bone parts, just stand out again. The last colour for the miniature is going to be just a little bit more lead belcher, but I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm just going to pick out areas where I want it to be a bit brighter. Still want most of the armour to look a bit dull and warm. Just little parts. Go back in, just make it a little bit brighter again. For the base, I put some sterling mud on the base, and I wash with Agrax Earthshade on the base. And whilst the Agrax Earthshade dries, I'm just going to add on a light brown edge all the way around, just to tidy it up. So the base nearly done. I'm just going to add in some sticky tufts, winter tufts these ones are from Army Painter. There you go, that's my Grave Guard complete, the battle ready standard of 3 foot fabulous. I might dry brush a bit of sterling mud on there, but pretty happy with them. Alright, hope you like this one. Hope you picked up some tips and tricks and got a little bit encouraged to get on with your own painting. Fighting off or fighting your way through your backlog of minis. Hope it encourages you to get cracking and get playing. Alright, take care. Catch you soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.